Next principle is impossible error. Making errors impossible to commit it preferable to detect them after their commission. It is necessary to pass the size of the array to the subprogram because it is needed to control the do loop. Unfortunately, having to pass the array size means that the programmer has to the opportunity to pass the wrong size. Higher level constructs such as do loop in Fortran are safer to use because they are removed from the programmer the opportunity to make certain errors such as incorrect testing for loop termination. Hence, do loop illustrates the impossible error principle. This is so because Fortran permits programmer to oversubscript arrays, that is to use array subscripts that are out of bounds. Thus, the programmer may inadvertently store into tables or other data structures that the compiler has placed in memory for the user of the runtime system. Next principle is structured program principle. The static structure of the program should correspond in a simple way to the dynamic structure of the corresponding computations. The idea of a good control structure is embodied in the structure principle. This principle means that it should be possible to visualize the behavior of the program easily from its written form. Example, when the execution of one segment of code precedes another in time, the statements of the first segment should precede those of the second in the program. Similarly, the statements whose execution is repeated by a loop should be easy to identify. User can visualize the execution of structure in the coding of any language from its written form. Fortran itself with lot of goto statements considered as harmful to structure principle.